Okay, so we're up to some nice little theorems that go on with expected value, and what we'll do is we'll illustrate it with an example. Okay, so we've got a certain probability distribution as given in the blue table, and just to find the expected value of x, we just do what we've been doing before, which is we'll get the pen going. So pen. So multiply, multiply, which is what I've done over here. And so the expected value is 2.59. So that's just straightforward. Copy that if you want to, but you don't need to. So let's have a look at the expected value of 3x. So it's the same table from the previous page. I've just copied it across. So what we're doing is we're going 3 times x, and then times by the probability, and then just keep doing those numbers and end up with 7.77. And lo and behold, it's the same as 3 times the expected value from the previous page. So the first rule is the expected value of a times x, where a is a constant, is the same as a times ex. So if you have a number like e times 2x, e2x, you've just got 2 times ex. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward. Okay, copy that one. All the rules you need to copy down. Okay, so now we're going to have a look at another expected value of 2x minus 4. So I'm taking 2 times x and then subtract 4 and then multiply by the probability. Keep doing all those numbers and you end up with that value, and lo and behold, it's the same as 2 times ex, and then you subtract 4 at the end. So the second rule is this one here. So you've got two constants, a and b. So it's just a times ex and then just add b. So a and b are constant. And rule 3 and rule 4 I won't bother illustrating, they're just straightforward rules. So if you've got a constant, okay, like for instance there's no x, okay, there's no x here, so 0 times x just disappears. So the expected value of a constant is just the constant. So it's just the same as rule number 2, where you've got 0 times x. And the last one, expected value of x plus y equals expected value of x plus the expected value of y. So again, they're handy ones. If you can just put them on one page, that'd be great. Copy and come across. One thing you must know is this one here. The expected value of x squared is not the expected value of x all squared. So just make sure you don't make that mistake, because it'll haunt you and kill you later on. Okay, so copy that down, put a big star against that one. And okay, let's look at an example. So Casey receives a base income of $200 a month plus $15 for every phone sold. And the following table shows the probability of selling a particular number of phones. So you're given that information here. So the expected value of Casey's salary is $15 times the number of phones she sells, or the expected value there, plus $200. So we take the 15 out the front and just add 200 at the end. So I've just started the first ones. So it's 50 times 0.48 times 15 plus, and then at the end add $200 and you end up with $15.95. So it's an example. It's not really super useful, but it's another theorem. Okay, copy that and come across. Okay, and there's the exercise. Just a couple of questions from exercise 10C, and that's it. See you at the next video.